Hapon ta ninyo. Spring roll, bulad. Saan ita?
Lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali, sagbot.
Mixed veggie.
Green grass of home.
It's chakabichi. Wala isda.
Makaroon, naluto na ba ang oatmeal?
Ang oatmeal.
Ang oatmeal porridge.
Lobayot, basa pa dahil.
Hindi ka lagi na maugata.
Wala palagi ako pang i-cook.
Warm naman.
Lagi ako na.
Uy, di na lagi na siya mauga.
Wala palagi siya naluto.
Di na siya mauga. Kay tungod na sa kadagan sa tubig, imong gibutang. Lucky.
Tita, Tito.
Na. Tita, Tito.
Toys.
Yeah, bigyan na siya.
Tita, Tito.
Bigyan na siya.
Ha? Tita, Tito.
She just want the toys. Morning everyone, happy Sunday. Guys, today we are currently in South Melbourne, guys. I'm gonna get my nails done. Have a look. So it's grown a lot now, as you can see. But yeah, I'm gonna go get SNS again, guys, today. And go, excuse me, I don't have any makeup on or anything. I just can't be bothered today, guys. But yeah, come with me, guys. Have a look my before, and then I'm gonna show you later what I got. So there, guys. They're going to South Melbourne Market to just grab hat jam donuts. Hi guys, welcome back. We are in the car now and I'll show you the result. So I went with the deep red color, guys, because I actually can't remember the last time I had red nails. So yeah, there you go. That's one. What do you think, guys? I actually think that the lady cut it shorter than I actually want it to be, but it's okay. It's gonna grow, and you know, next month it's gonna be a different color again. So there you go. But yeah, I'm back in the car. It's currently what, 3:40 now in the afternoon, guys, and you won't believe it, it is 17 degrees today, guys, and yesterday it was like 30 something, and it's been raining all morning, which is really good because it will really help the bushfires, guys. It's like around country, you know, countrysides of Victoria, in New South Wales, everywhere, guys, there's bushfire because it's been really hot since I think 2 weeks ago, Mark, I think. Yeah, since 2 weeks ago. So it was really bad, and yeah, I'm so happy. Thank you, Lord, you know, that it rained. At least, you know, it's not as bad now, I think, and I hope. But yeah, I don't know, I think we're just gonna go home now, guys, and I don't know, just relax because, and excuse my little visitor there. It's starting to grow. But yeah, tomorrow is Monday, guys, 6th of January, and back to work after 2 weeks of break. I'm going back to work tomorrow. However, I'll be working from home tomorrow, so it won't be that bad. I'll still be working, but it's the same but different, you know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. The same but different. But yeah, guys, I'll see you again soon. Guys, just an update. So we're in the car, guys. We've got boxes, balikbayan boxes, guys. We went to Filipino shop to get those because, guys, next month we are moving house, and it's a perfect opportunity to declutter, guys, and put everything that we don't really need in the box and send to the family in the Philippines. So yeah, that's why we got 2 of them. And then, yes, honey, and Paris is now waiting for Mama. So we are now at Tita Gabz's place, guys, because I think she's cooking, I don't know, rice and bulad. So that's why we're gonna go, guys. Dito man hapon nga.
Pagkita din tayo ng
Ala, nagbit-bit ang bulad. Favorite ni mo na? Ay, shop ha. Naano mi, guys, sa Palacio ni Teta. Hi, Ta. How are you?
Alive, good.
Yes. Hi na. Tita na.
Vlog din.
What's that, honey? Tita, nag-hi ka kang tita?
Buwad ta.
Pwede ito ba? Log na lagi tanaw ni mong kwarto ta. Ito naging kuan kay nag ay na naman dai cakey.
Inspired lang.
Hi. I'm OOTD for today. Guys, nag-wonder mong naing nga na si Tita, guys. Kuan mo ni siya. Fashionista. Uy, anak. Coleslaw?
Yeah.
Bongga lagi na siya. May pa-coleslaw.
May pa-coleslaw si Mayor.
Luto ba siya?
Asa mas kuya? Ano yung ginag? Oh.
Oh, naiyang lakaw.
Ha?
Naiyang lakaw. Parang sa wala ta.
Kani? Aussie style siya.
Anak! Paglabot sa papilis sa imong tita. Shh! Uy! Bestie kasi dito lang yung mga phone paperworks.
Magkita na po kami ni Yan.
Anak!
Alam, may pagparin to sila rin, no?
Paris, tiko! Mataga ka na?
Ano po lakas Paris day?
Boyog!
Ang last niya karan diri nga itong kuan itong kuan igamay pa kay na siya.
19 forgotten pa.
Yes, check our republic.
Hapon ta ninyo! Spring roll, bulad. Saan ita?
Lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali, sagbot.
Mixed veggie.
Green grass of home.
It's chakabichi, wala isda.
Yes, anak. Careful ha. Dili, mambak ha. Mamut yung bulad, guys. Super. Amo, karon ang problema karon, og naluto na ba ang oatmeal?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal
Basa
porridge.
if lobayot basa pa dai.
Hindi ka lagi na maugat ha.
Wa palagi ako pang i-cook.
Warm naman.
Wa lagi ako.
Uy, di na siya. Di na lagi na siya mauga.
Wala palagi siya naluto ba
Di na siya mauga kay tungod na sa kadagan sa tubig na imong libutang. Pinky. Hello, let's go eat. Uy. Uy.
Murag mo pinatubo dai no na uga.
Oh, give that to mama. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Hi, daddy. Call dada. Dada. Call daddy. Dada. Say bata nga happy. What's up na? Gusto na nga tayong tita. Shh. Paris. What's that? Yay! Happy kayo mong baby, oh. Dance na! Dance na! Dance! Dance! Tish! 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 Tanaw sa inyo nag-dance si Paris.
Baby, dance.
Dance, sabi? Dish! 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 Kana ta? Just happy kayo siya, oy.
Gana siya mag-share mo gunet.
Sara ta.
Happy birthday.
Kay big girl naman siya. Ay! Ta, tilapan pa niya una ta. Una-una niya lami ba niya, be?
Di ka niya mayabo?
Dilo eh. Tigulang na siya eh. Di ara ka mag-eat ha. Di ara, dili ka mato sa bed. Sit down na lang diya.
Kabog di ay.
Sabot, uy. Sit down na lang. Oh, sama lang gana. Tanaw sa ta.
Ha?
Sit down sa. Gibuko ka lagi ka sa mga na.
Usa niki basin maglibog siya ba English or Bisaya?
Dili kasabot man siya Bisaya o kuan. English. Bisglish man siya. Bisglish.
Mali mo gud na. Ado ba?
Sige lang to. The main thing is you can get something.
Next one siya na ko kansa.
Yes, yeah, that's yours. You can have it.
Tita, Tito.
Na! Tita, Tito.
Tito.
Toys.
Yeah, Tito.
Kinsa na siya?
Tita, Tito.
Kinsa na siya?
Ha? Tita, Tito.
She just want the toys.
The toys.
Dili man to toys na. Dito siya nakakita siya color-color tayo.
Ah.
Tignan, dili na
Di
toys.
mo. Costume.
Costume na na.
Puro na mga costume. Hala, nalay ko sa hilan niya katong yellow. Nakadiha. Nalay dili mo.
Alina, alina. Alina, nak.
Kaya akong gipagkita niya, Tiniki.
Teta. Lucky.
Lucky ka.
Kiki. Pero mahalata naman ka dyan ta.
Bata.
Halata talaga mong ginakusan kang Nikki, oh. Hala. Ang paa. Hala si Nikki, grabe kay ka, kung ano?
Puti ka ba?
Ang
Puti siya.
paa. Paa, bes. Bagya.
This one. This one.
Wow.
This one cute.
Hala, Kiki. What's wrong? What's wrong?
Gusto siya sa Teta.
It's okay. Rula, say hi to our vlog. To our vlog, to our video.
Hala, hi.
Say please subscribe to my channel.
I'm so happy to see you back.
Yeah, this is Rula, guys. Our neighborhood. Neighborhood. Tita, thank you for the dinner. Lakul ba kayo? Dako kayo kuan headband gi Tito ni Paris. Nak, isa Tito, Tita.
Tito, Tita. Babae ko di.
Toys ba ilaki? Toys. Tata, salamat kay sa panihapon ta ha. Girl, beautiful
I
nest.
said, how about
Oh,
$18,
great job, honey.
$95 a month?
You're doing such a great
He
job.
has to be
Lipstick man na.
Me.
$100 a month.
Lipstick.
I said, all right.
ba? Kung kisa itong top 5.
Lagi na po. Tuwa na ako sa Emily.
Wala, it's Emily's no.
Nice girl.
What did you do?
Look at what Paris is doing.
Paris.
Paris. But look. Lipstick, put it on lipstick. Put it, show me.
Lipstick.
Like mommy, halata na yung jacket pa yun.
Guys, I own this, but it's at Tita Gabby's place because if you don't know yet, Tita Gabby and I used to live together, and then I saw it here today. Probably 2015 I purchased that, and I didn't think that, you know, by 2020
Nasaan ka, Ti? Muna nasaan ka, okay na.
my daughter will be playing with it. That's just amazing. What did you do to the baby nak? Ay, the baby tigulang nak. Oh, napula-pula na yung una-una. Hala, you murder. Unsa man mo? Do you have plan to go home? Hey, hey.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. Open this one. Guys, we're making a move now. We're going home. Tita, thank you for the dinner.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Nakuha ng si Anita.
Anita is massacred. Oh? Si Anita.
Anita. Bye, ta. Thank you, ta. Honey, say bye-bye, Tita. Bye, Rula.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Nice to see you.
Yes, watch yourself on YouTube.
Yeah,
This
I
one when
will.
I upload. Yeah.
Actually, when am I going to see you again?
Maybe next week.
Maybe next week.
Yeah.
I will cook something and you come
Bye-bye.
and
Bye, guys.
have dinner with Gabby.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Sure.
That's about it for today's video, guys.
Because I will miss you, maybe.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah. If you're gonna go home, I won't see you.
Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family, guys. I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, always be good. Be careful. Bye.